Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, cats, dogs, chickens, puppies, you name it. Big shout out to that notification gang for all y'all. Hit that subscribe button, and specifically hit that notification bell so you get notified when I go live or upload a video. And in today's upload, I wish I would be live streaming this, much preferred. But instead, here we are. I'm recording with OBS. Going to show you guys how you can use your Logitech G29 racing steering wheel, which is obviously built for the PlayStation but connects to PC through USB. So, on to what we need to talk about. First thing you need to make sure about is that you have this specific app right here. Okay, it is called X360CE. This is important. You gotta have this. So you can notice right here it says Driving Force Racing Wheel. Very important that in the product name that it says that. And if not mistaken, right here in the registry, you need to navigate to a specific location. H key, local machine, system, control, class, and then you want to head all the way to, where did it even take me? Where's this in? Class 9-1, and then, was that quad zeros? Yeah, right here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Can I copy this string? I'm going to copy this string and I'll put that in the description. Hopefully. Okay, let's see back here again. So, data under driver description. I could be wrong. It could be another place, another location. Because if you look in here, it says, it doesn't even say PS3 or anything related to that. It just says Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel. So I guess it's cutting that off, but that's not really that important. But what you need to do is you make sure that you come into your registry, and if you don't know how to open Windows registry, you hit Windows R, and then that pops up, and you can type REGEDIT and press enter, press OK, and you'll get registry editor. Now, how I found this specifically, a long time ago, I was looking around and I found on a web forum somewhere, probably Logitech or something, that mentioned having this. So I don't currently have. Let me just show this really quick as well. I don't need to change anything, but you could potentially do what I did and go edit, find, and then type in Logitech G29 maybe, or maybe G29 something, and you can see what I typed in did not bring up exactly what it is, but this is what it found. But yeah, go to this specific thread and then modify that. Make sure you have it in the product description or whatnot. Then, like what I was telling you, is once you have this downloaded, after you have this downloaded, all you need to do is have this, regular setup here. I also have the Xbox app. Let me see. Okay, and see if I move the steering wheel, I move it left and right. If I press on the pedals, that's fine. So you can see up here that I have a 4-axis 3-button. This is a PlayStation 3 controller. This is USB. It's an old knockoff PS3 controller. This one is the Logitech. So if you want to make sure to add that, you just kind of want to come over here, make sure of what it is that you're trying to add, and make sure that green light right here is on. Hit the checkbox and then add selected, and it should pop up here. Then you can do an auto config for all of this too, but I recommend just press each button here, click, and then press it on the controller. As far as force feedback is concerned, you need to make sure that you have G-Hub up and open. And if you notice, it's not perfectly centered, but the centering spring and the center and force feedback, non-force feedback games. So what's going on is X360 CE is actually emulating an Xbox controller. So when you open the game and you're back in here, I can't use the mouse. I'm currently, the mouse is just Windows, and I'm currently streaming on the cloud because I'm actually downloading the game right now. And just to showcase that it's functioning, I'm pressing the gas pedal and the steering wheel, turning it left and right. I don't believe my clutch. Yeah, I don't think my clutch is working on here.